Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. The heater control module fuse, for any of you looking to find that fuse, guys, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram where you can find it. Open the hood, and under the hood, guys, here on the driver's side, if you look, that's your car battery. Right in front of it you have that box. It has, that lid has two notches, one here, one there. Okay, two taps, press them and it will open. On the inside you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Here is for the heater control module. If you have that option specifically, we don't, we will explain which fuse you need to check. Now, always keep some spare fuses, because those could be really hard to find. It happened to us where we were in a small town in the middle of nowhere. We couldn't get a replacement fuse and we were stuck, guys, because of that. If you come in that row of fuses, guys, okay, these fuses go like that, 33, 32, 31. That empty spot that we have right here, that will be the one for the heater control module if you have that option. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.